Dafram is a leading ball valves manufacturer based in Urbisaglia in the province of Macerata. Carmen Mascolo, marketing manager, recounts that Dafram was the first company in Italy to produce the floating valves typically used in the chemical and petrochemical industry. In the 90s, following the entrance of Asian competitors, Dafram chose to position itself on a higher segment of the market, dealing mainly in the oil and gas sector, with training valves of higher technological value and providing increasingly challenging and demanding services. Dafram is a company that is constantly evolving. Today we are ready to offer our customers products that are included in CO2 capture supply chains, in hydrogen service and cryogenics with liquefied gas transportation or with regasification plants. With an area of 32,000 square meters, of which 12,000 are undercover, the plant produces the full range of valves on offer, making use of the most advanced technologies such as multi-use machining centers, CNC lathes and special testing centers. Ball valves ranging from half-inch to 56-inch and manufactured in short production times make Dafram a benchmark company for all EPC contractors and leading oil and gas companies worldwide. Production is made to order according to the principles of lean manufacturing. Fabio Lambertucci, production manager, explains that in 2012 Dafram decided to adopt lean manufacturing applied to the order as a method of production control and management. This has led to a number of benefits both in terms of the efficiency of the plant and machinery and in terms of the amount of products that can be stocked in the warehouse and the goods that pass through the company. The production flow is regulated by the kitting manager, who practically not only sets production based on orders, but also issues internal processing orders and external procurement orders. This operation is carried out through the MRP, which recalculates the entire requirements and issues proposals for external orders for the materials that need to be purchased, and internal work orders for internal production. In 2020, to meet the growing volume of orders, it became necessary to introduce a third working shift and to allocate additional personnel for the distribution of PPE, tools and consumables for the duration of the night shift. Fabio Lambertucci adds that the needs they had were twofold. The first was to be able to distribute consumables throughout the whole day, 24 hours a day. The other was to keep a closer eye on consumption, costs and reorders, the storage of various items on racks or within small vending machines located at various points around the plant, and manual management of this network resulted in an inevitable time wastage, operational inefficiencies, as well as risks of running out of stock completely. In order to overcome these critical issues, the management entrusts the production manager with the task of identifying an automatic solution to streamline the process of managing these materials across 3 shifts. Fabio Lambertucci says that he set out to find a viable solution, but couldn't seem to find any solutions that suit the company's needs. When they were finally presented with ICAM's SafeBox smart dispenser, they quickly made the decision to buy it, as it met their needs perfectly. Standing 3.5 meters high and 8 meters wide in just 20 square meters, SafeBox provides organized storage and selective distribution of more than 5,000 stock items. The dispenser is able to handle inserts, for example consumables for machining, tools, measuring instruments, PPE such as gloves, safety glasses, as well as some special devices for painting, like masks with aspirators or even vacuum cleaners and bottles of rubbing alcohol. Strategically located at the entrance of the plant, each operator can pick up or drop off materials independently at any time. First, they log in with using their company badge. Then, they can pick up only the items associated with their profile, according to their role and the activity they need to carry out. The innovative slot system ensures the selective distribution of only authorized items. However, the operator can put in a request for extra material directly from SafeBox, all PPE withdrawals are automatically recorded, in line with the provision of Italian Legislative Decree 81 of 2008. Every day, an average of 50 withdrawals and 10 refilling operations are carried out. By interfacing with ICAM Pro SafeBox management software with the company's ERP, it becomes possible to monitor the availability of items in real time and plan reordering based on actual consumption. By using SafeBox, Dafram has retrieved more than 100 square meters of floor space, streamlined the supply and distribution of PPE, tools and consumables, and greatly increased the control of consumption as well as reducing labor costs. Fabio Lambertucci says that now managers no longer have the burden of distributing materials, so each of them has saved some time during their working day. Moreover, today's operators are autonomous in collecting their own PPE, which are generally picked up at the beginning of each shift, and in accessing consumables that are used for the work they carry out during their shift, as and when they are needed. Another advantage is the savings in terms of space dedicated to storing these items, and the continuous monitoring of costs, which for the company and the administration team is by no means a minor factor.